Good morning to all. Today again I will continue chapter 3, Natural Fibers. And in this chapter today I am explaining the life cycle of silkworm. Now the life cycle of silkworm has 4 distinct stages like egg, larva, pupa and silk moth. Silk moth is a type of insects which resemble a butterfly. It is not formed from egg directly. Silk moth passes through a worm-like stages called larva and it is also called caterpillar. During its development, between the hatching of egg and formation of adult silk moth, they are having 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, silkworm. We can say larva, caterpillar or silkworm, pupa and silk moth. First is egg, second larva or caterpillar or silkworm, third stage pupa and fourth is silk moth. The larva or caterpillar and pupa stage in the life history of silk moth are totally different in appearance from the adult silk moth. It is a larva of silk moth which produce silk and which is not produce adult silk moth. Means the larva of the silk moth produce silk and adult silk moth not produce silk. The larva or caterpillar of a silk moth which produce silk is called silkworm. Silkworm is a larva or a caterpillar which produce silk. Now I can describe the life history of silkworm as: first, the female silk moth lay eggs on the larva of tree like mulberry leaves. The silkworm feed on the leaves of mulberry leaves and grow bigger in size. Silk is formed in liquid form. And the next stage of its development is called pupa. During these movement of head of the pupa, the silkworm secretes silk in the liquid form, which is continuous filament fiber, and it consists of fibrion protein, which secretes from 2 openings in the salivary gland, which is present in head of the larva, and gum is called sericin. The gum is present in the salivary gland is known as sericin. The liquid form when it exposed to air and then become a silk fiber, or it's called a silk thread. It is covered itself completely by the silk fiber. Now the silkworm continues to develop in the form of pupa inside the cocoon to form the silk moth. When the pupa develops fully to form an adult silk moth, then the cocoon split up. Breakups means breakdowns, and a beautiful silk moth comes out. The adult female silk moth then lay more eggs, and in this way the life cycle of moth is completed. To produce silk, the silkworm developing inside the cocoon is not allowed to mature into an adult silk moth. So the cocoon is formed. When the cocoon is formed, it is used to obtain silk fiber, and the developing silkworm gets killed. This is why If the silkworm is allowed to mature into a silk moth, then the fully formed silk moth secretes a liquid to dissolve a part of silk of the cocoon for break. The breaking of cocoon causes damage to its silk thread, and then lower quality of silk is formed.